Hello guys. My name is Siddharth Varde and this is another devlog of Data Structure Fundamentals 1. So what like the in the current update what we did was learn about vectors. What is the difference between vector and arrays and stuff like that. How vector stores the data, and it's kind of a dynamic array. So how is it possible? Like how is it a dynamic array and stuff like that? What happens when you add a new element to the vector and stuff like that? Then solved few problems on arrays. And Like there were difficult kind of problems. For example, how much what like calculate how much water would be trapped in a map in a map. Then like those were kind of the questions, and many few were like quite difficult. So had to take in help from the Google, but I learned from that too, I understood them how to think, how to solve, and kind of thing like that. So I tried them. Then I learned about a few things about strings, how can we can create strings in C and how is it created in C++ and stuff like that, and like a few different functionalities of string class in C++. So. Uh, that is it for the update. Thank you.